cracking, guys? Today's problem of the day is brought to you by McDonald's. McDonald's, home of the delicious new Chips Ahoy McFlurry. Try one today. Alright, guys, let's take a look at today's problem. The Pink Panther sold 3 times as many vitamins as Woodstock. If Woodstock sold 8 bottles, how many bottles did the Pink Panther sell? Create a model to solve. Alright, guys, go ahead and pause the video here so that way you can solve the problem. Once you finish solving the problem, go ahead and press that play button, and I'll go over the answer to this bad boy. Welcome back, guys. Let's go ahead and go over the answer to this bad boy. So, guys, we have a multiplication problem. It's like what we just did in the Go Math books, Chapter 2. We're doing a multiplication comparison problem where the Pink Panther sold 3 times as many as Woodstock. We don't know how many the Pink Panther sold, but we do know how many the Woodstock sold. So let's go ahead and, based on what we know, let's go ahead and solve. Alright, guys, so I have my notes open here. I'm going to be grabbing my pink pencil for this Pink Panther problem, guys, as I always do. Now, the next thing I'm going to do here is write Pink Panther. And I know, guys, that he equals, we're solving for the Pink Panther, so I'm going to put in there. N stands for some unknown number. We know that Woodstock, we know how many bottles he sold. It says Woodstock sold 8 bottles. All right. Now, the other information that we have on the Pink Panther is that he sold 3 times as many as who? As this guy right here, Woodstock. All right. Now, the problem did say to create a model to solve. So, with these multiplication comparison problems, I'm going to go ahead and actually draw a box that's similar to the kind that we did for the fraction problem. So, take my ruler, draw a nice box here. Boom. I'm going to keep this line. That. Boom. Get a couple of 90-degree angles going here, guys. There we go. And one more. All right, very nice. Let me go ahead and Fix the end of that line there. There we go. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys, so we know that Woodstock sold 8 bottles, and the Pink Panther, guys, he sold 3 times as many, 3 times. So it's important, the word 3 times there, guys. That kind of tells us how many little sections we should divide our paper into. So let me go ahead and make 3 sections, guys, or you guys are probably used to this. We're actually kind of drawing some thirds here. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my Woodstock. He sold 8. And next to it, guys, this box here, this tells me how many the Pink Panther sold. So he sold 3 times as many as Woodstock. So he sold this 3 times. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go ahead and put this 8, guys, in each of these. So I have 8 here, 8 here, and 8 here. I have 8 3 times. Why? Because the Pink Panther sold 3 times as many as Woodstock, who sold 8 bottles. Okay. So the next step, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and write an equation here. So we have the unknown number that we're solving for, which is how many the Pink Panther sold. So N equals, we have the number 8, how many Woodstock sold, 8 bottles, and the Pink Panther sold 3 times as many. N equals 8 times 3. Well, I know that 8 times 3 equals 24, guys. So I can write another equation here that I know that N equals 24, and I could say 24 equals 8 times 3. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's problem of the day. Tune in tomorrow for another exciting, excellent episode. See you then, guys. Take care.